Today I want to show you how to make a deodorant at home that works and that is very soft and easy to use. Let's start with all our ingredients. We're going to need 35 grams of mango butter, 42 grams of coconut oil, 28 grams of baking soda, 14 grams of arrowroot powder, and 14 grams of beeswax. If you decide to have a scent to the deodorant, I recommend either lavender or tea tree oil. About 30 drops for this recipe will work. Alright, so these are the three ingredients that need to be melted. Mango butter, it's unscented, very soft and delicate for your skin. It will definitely counteract any possible irritating effect that baking soda sometimes can have. And then we have beeswax pastilles. I chose white beeswax this time for this recipe, but any color, any type of beeswax works. And then of course coconut oil, it works really well for deodorants. So you want to put those in a heat-proof container, put it over a double boiler at low heat, and let it melt gently. You may have to keep stirring it for 5 or 10 minutes to make sure that the beeswax is completely melted, but it's a quick thing to do. 10 minutes and it'll be ready and melted. While that melts, you want to mix baking soda and arrowroot powder. And these are your melted butters and oils and wax. And you just pour it in and keep stirring until it's a nice creamy paste. This is where you add your optional essential oil. You pour in your final container and you just set it aside on the counter. It does not need to be refrigerated. Just set it aside for about an hour and then it's ready to use. Look how creamy. I hope you love it.